I'm very grateful to the FAW for my team and for my staff who have made this such a pleasure. And it's been tough. It's been much harder than I expected and much better than I expected. And I sat down with my family and we looked at the different options for the next few years of my career. And to be honest, none of them felt right. I don't think this project is finished. That doesn't mean that I'm going to be the one who gets us to the next World Cup or does something amazing next. I just feel like I can help raise the level another notch before the next coach comes in and drives them forward again, because that is what the job is of the next coach, is just continually drive the team forward. And I don't think I'm finished with that project. What is our gauge of success and failure? I was just talking to the staff before, and last camp we had 11 players under the age of 23, and like this is a big move for us as a team, as a staffing team, is how do we make sure that the legacy of our time working as a staff for this program means that we're leaving it in a really healthy environment where this team doesn't name itself, where we've got depth and different options in every position across the field. And if we can do that well, we will qualify for major tournaments.